How to fix Twitter profile update failed. So if you want to update your Twitter profile and if you're not being able to update the Twitter profile, then what you need to do is first open up your settings on your device, and under your settings you need to scroll down and you need to go for apps, and under your apps you will have see all apps. Tap on see all apps, go for the search which is on the upper side, and then you can search for Twitter. Once you've searched for Twitter or the X application, which is basically the same thing, now you can go for storage and cache and go for clear cache. Once you've cleared your cache, you can also clear your storage, but if you don't remember your login information, then don't tap on it. Just go for clear cache and your problem will be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, you need to remove that and you can open up your Play Store. Once you've opened your Play Store, now you can go for the search and search for Twitter or X. Once you've searched here, you will have the application. So if you have an update option instead of this open option, then you can simply go for update and update your application. Once you've updated, your problem will be fixed, and that's how you can fix your Twitter profile update. So now you can update your Twitter profile and your problem will be fixed. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.